today I'm gonna color this picture of Bingo and Rolly. Let's color in Rolly first. He has blue eyes. And a black nose. Let's color in his tongue, paws, and the insides of his ears light pink. And his fur is light tan and brown. Okay, now I'm all finished coloring in Rolly. Next, let's color in Bingo. He has green eyes. And a black nose. And let's color in his tongue, ears, and paws light pink. And his collar is blue. And let's color in his fur different shades of gray. Okay, now I'm all finished coloring in Bingo. Next, let's color in all the stuff in the background. Let's color in the slide they're on orange and bluish gray. And let's make this tree brown and green. Let's make the grass down here at the bottom light green. And let's color in this brick wall dark red. And let's color in the sky up here light blue. Okay, I'm all finished. Wow, this picture turned out so cute. Bingo and Rolly both look so adorable. These two pups are best pals. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'm KiMMi the Clown. Hope you had fun clowning around with me today. Have a fun day and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye! Wow, coloring is so much fun. Like this video if you like to color too. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to check out my last Puppy Dog Pals coloring page video. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button because I post fun videos every single day. Love you guys. Bye!